Hi, and welcome to my technology analysis project for adaptive learning software. And the company or the software that I chose is Harmonize. Harmonize is an excellent software company for students. The summary of contents, project overview, rationale, project timeline, project benefits, project alternatives, project cost, and proposal ratings. Well, I will be going over all of these things. The project overview. The school district needs an adaptive learning software for students. This new software called Harmonize seamlessly integrates with LMS to create an interactive space for dynamic academic discussion, creative and analytical thinking, and in-depth feedback that drives next-level education for students. It also has drag and drop simplicity and design cues taken from popular social networks. Harmonize has a modern and engaging layout and offers a fast, fluid experience that unites instructors and students in a shared learning experience for endless opportunities. It already sounds wonderful, doesn't it? What exactly is Harmonize? Okay, well, Harmonize gives instructors comprehensive insight into student participation and allows for a seamless overview of course progress and a time-saving grading process. The plant the platform transitions fluidly between multiple devices from mobile to desktop and back again. The auto save feature means you will never lose work or momentum, no matter your location. And because I am a PTO president, I probably have more access to the principals and people that work in the school district. So I actually meet with them twice a month. And my next meeting is October the 28th. And during this meeting, I will talk to the principal privately and get her thoughts as to what she thinks about the software and how we can get it mobilized in each classroom. And this is the project timeline. October the 28th, November the 9th, and February 2022. And the project benefits. Harmonize is a design app. You can even use it on Androids. It boosts engagement, retention for students, which is very important. It has a lot of compelling features and it mimics social media experiences. Other benefits are that it inspires the children to participate and gives them more opportunities to be creative and have critical thinking, to stay on track and ask questions. And they also can stay connected on the go. And the project alternatives. Moodle. Moodle is a learning platform designed to provide educators, administrators, and learners with a single, robust, secure, and integrated system to create personalized learning environments. You can also download the software onto your web server, and they also have partners available to assist you at any time. And also, um, you can use it mimics real world environments. This is the project cost here. So the total cost may be about $4,500 per 30 students. And these are their ratings here. The high benefit is a 5. and a modern benefit is a 3. So you can go through it here and look at the ratings and compare. Okay, and if you have any questions, please feel free to email me at archie@hbu.edu. And below, here are the additional resources that I use to create this project. Thank you very much for listening and watching, and have a blessed day.